welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox the Amazon Basics 50-inch tripod. As you can see here, Amazon Basics lightweight aluminum tripod. So this is the packaging and here the Amazon sign. This is the box I got. Nothing here. So let's unbox. Okay, so as you can see, I got this bag, travel bag. I can carry it anywhere. So this is the best thing about this. You can protect it from water. So here is our tripod stand. Okay, so as you can see, this is the stand. This is in plastic, so let's remove this plastic. As you can see, this is aluminum. Color is really very good, coffee color or dark brown, whatever you call. Here it's written Amazon Basics. So this goes up to 50 inch. Okay, so as you can see, the tripod stand. To open this, what you have to do is keep it like this, and this you have to pull it downwards. Yeah, this is now complete open. Now if you want to close it, you have to hold this one and pull this thing up like this and get in a compact size. Now let me show you the whole tripod stand, how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, these three clips here, and here, this opens up in three parts. So to open the first one, you have to open this one. You have to basically unlock this one to reach you to the higher level, like this. Let me just show you. I'm holding camera. Let me just keep the camera to a side. Okay, as you can see, I have unlocked these three. Now you can see, you have to pull it until you see that you can hear the sound. Yes, pull it till you hear that. Now lock this one. अगर lock नहीं किया तो this will go backward. I'll show you how. See, now this one I have locked, this won't go. So after opening this, lock this one, this will be in a stiff position. This won't go down if I put my pressure downward. So yeah, now अब बारी है second और third की. Second and third. Now I'll open and show you how this looks like. It's hard to lock here. Yeah. So as you can see, so it's opened up almost. Now you can use depending on the situation, like the height you need this much, or this much, the last 50 inch. So let's see the last 50 inch, how does it look like. So as you can see, this is the 50-inch tripod stand. This goes to thicker and then thinner. This is very thin actually. It has a rubber grip. It has quite a grip. You have to just pull this up like this. As you can see, you can then move your camera here. You have to put a clip here to hold your mobile or DSLR or whatever. The disappointing thing here is that इन्होंने वो मोबाइल क्लिप होल्डर नहीं दिया जो इधर स्क्रू में ऐसा बैठता है. वही वी हैव टू बाय इट सेपरेटली, अलग ख़रीदना पड़ता है उसको. So as you can see, okay, so this thing is very interesting. As you can see, the green liquid, this is for the leveling, actually leveler. With civil engineers you can see, आज देखा होगा आपने, सिविल इंजीनियर साइट पे यूज़ करते हैं फॉर द लेवल 1. सो if the water is, the bubble is in middle, which means it is correct horizontal 180 degrees. So I'll show you, this is exactly 180 degrees, and you can see the water bubble is in middle. Let me move it to the right, it goes there. So this is only one, so you can know कि ये सही है या नहीं, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. Also with this screw here you can adjust this one and then you can lock that. Let me show you. मैंने लॉक कर दिया, ये और थोड़ा हाइट हो गया, ऊपर हो गया, और थोड़ा ऊंचा हो गया ये. So as you can see now also, okay, as you can see, this is the mobile clip holder. This one you have to buy separately from Amazon. This one, this particular is not that good. I am going to buy the other one, जिससे आप ऐसा पुल कर सकते हैं, जो साइड में जो मेटल का जो होता है, स्टील का, वो वाला आई एम बाइंग. दिस वन इज़ नॉट दैट गुड, बट फॉर द टाइमिंग आई विल शो यू हाउ यू कैन पुट दिस. नाउ सी, आई एम इसको एक्चुअली दो इंस्टॉलिंग के लिए ये जो इनपुट्स है, ये एक इधर आप ऐसा फ़ोन रख सकते हैं, ऐसा, या फिर ऐसा. आई यूज इट लाइक दिस, लैंडस्केप मोड, ऐसा रखे तो फ़ोन ऐसा आ जाएगा. सो लेट मी जस्ट पुट दिस. नाउ आप जैसा देख सकते हैं कि ये दो रोटेटिंग नॉब्स है. आई विल शो यू, डोंट वरी. सो इफ़ यू लूज दिस, व्हाट यू विल हैव इट दिस, देखिए आराम से मूव हो रहा है. सो इफ़ यू हैव योर फोन हियर, you can move it all around easily. So if I just tight this up, ज़्यादा नहीं, मीडियम टाइट, आई एम अनेबल टू मूव. सी, बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है. सो दिस फंक्शन इज़ फॉर दैट. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू दिस वन. सपोज अगर फ़ोन इधर ऊपर है, सो यू कैन, इसका भी सेम फंक्शन है कि just loosen this and it will go right here. Now let me place my mobile and show you. Now as you can see, मैंने फ़ोन माउंट पे कर लगा दिया. So उल्टा लगाया बिकॉज इसका स्क्रीन से रिफ्लेक्शन आता मेरा. So if you have phone here, now you can move this to downwards ऐसा, या फिर upwards ऐसा. It depends on you, depend on what are you shooting. So now let me just lose this and show you what you can do. Okay, so if I lose this, now if you are shooting the downwards या upward, now if you lose this, it can go sideways like this. You get proper stabilization, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. As you can see, you can move it slowly if you are taking or किसी सीनरी की फ़ोटो ले रहे हैं तो you can move this slowly. इसका ये फंक्शन हो गया. Now coming to this one, now if you lose this, you can adjust this one. So phone you can rotate like this. यस, तो ये फंक्शन उतना मुझे ज़रूरी नहीं लगा. बस ये हमें ज़रूरी है कि ये फ़ोन नीचे ऊपर जाए और साइडवेज जाए, बस ये हमारा ज़रूरी है. अगर ये लोग क्लिप देते होते ऐसा तो ये बहुत अच्छा होता. क्लिप नहीं दिया, कोई बात नहीं. यू हैव टू बाय दिस. ये 200 रुपीज़ में 2 या 100 रुपीज़ 150 में आता है ये वाला. यू हैव टू बाय इट सेपरेटली. Yes, so I hope you like the video. As you can see the bag there and yet tripod stand. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Take care.